But baddies wear their heels all night. We're taking an Uber, by the way.
Where would you like me to come?
I wasn't supposed to be in that car anyway because she had bad vibes and bad energy.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you.
I should have just been simple and bought me a sweatsuit just like you did instead of trying to do the most, honey.
It don't matter if that bitch say below zero. You gonna put on the thinnest skirt and the shawty's fucking.
Gotta pay the cost to be a baddie and a hoochie, okay? Listen. All right, I need to get on my Zoom, get myself together, get dressed, and get ready. The lighting is really good in this bathroom, period. I may not even have enough time to do my makeup. I don't even know. Look at my new nail color, y'all. So cute. We just got to Birmingham because we came here to see bsimone. I am so excited, you guys, because like bsimone and Megan, them are my girls. They're my homegirls. I just hit her up. I just let her know that I was in Birmingham, Alabama. And I told her that we coming to the show, so make sure we get VIP tickets. So she texted me back and was like, you know, it's up. We about to have a good time tonight. Y'all just saw the bottle of Patron. She on the way. Don't play with it. I was just telling Ken how they was downstairs, like the man was like, oh, the bar's over there, the grill is over there. We brought the bar with us. Don't play with it. Let me show y'all how cute the packaging was for this Patron bottle. I said it in my last vlog. Yeah. But by the time they see this vlog, we done already had our little heart to heart. This is so cute, y'all. It's like a tin can. I said I'm literally gonna save this. So we got some Patron. We're about to take some shots. We about to get it started. What time is it?
7:16.
It's 7:16, y'all. The doors open at 8 o'clock. So it's my shot. I'm gonna take my shot. You didn't even say what we was cheersing to.
To bsimone.
To bsimone, period. Like I was saying, the doors open at 8 and I want to make sure like we get a good seat. Because it's like based off first come, first serve basis. And we were gonna do like the VIP tickets because there was only like $5 or $10 more. But you know when you go to a comedy show, if you sit your ass in the front, they gonna get your ass, okay? They're going to get you. I be a little sensitive sometimes, so I want to get. Let me stop playing. All right, let me stop talking. Let me take my shot, take my bath, and get myself together. And I'm gonna talk to y'all once I'm dressed. I literally have to just put my top on. I'm ready to go. It's 8 o'clock. Y'all can't even see it, but you might as well say it's 7:59. Clearly, we're going to be a little late, but that's okay because, yeah. Y'all, I literally put my eyelashes on the wrong eye. I didn't even bring tweezers. Like, it's a lot of stuff that I'm really missing out on for real. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. So now I got my shirt. Let's try not to get it wet. So I'm about to put my shirt on. Huh? I said I hope I don't get it wet. I ain't say nothing smart.
I thought you said something about my urn.
No, your earning is meat as fuck anyway. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay, I'm just talking. And I'm probably just gonna literally tie it like this. When we first got here, we ended up going to the mall just to kind of see what kind of shoes they had in their shoe stores. Mid, okay? I was looking for some New Balances, and we were also looking for like some Jordan 1s. We couldn't find nothing, but I did stop by Ulta. Well, I placed a pickup order before I even got here, y'all, and I ended up getting this Ulta Beauty weightless water lip stain, and it's in the shade Very Berry. I may try this tomorrow because tomorrow I'm definitely not wearing makeup, so I may see what it looks like on my lips. And then I picked up the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is the shade Riri. It's so pretty. Like, it's kind of giving my usual, can y'all even see, lip combo that I normally do, but it's giving a little pink hint to it. I like it because it's not as red. So yeah, she also came out with a holographic one. I gotta get that one too. But it reminds me of Oyster Girl. But anyways, y'all, let me stop talking and figure out what I'm trying to do. Let me take my shot. Maybe I don't need another shot. But only thing I gotta do is put on my shoes, and then I'm gonna be ready to go. I gotta put on my Otter Spirit bracelets. So I love that each stone tells a unique story. Now is time to write yours. So cute. I think I'm gonna put on the green one and this jaded one. So I'm just gonna slip them all onto the same arm. And then here's the other one that I have. This green one is so pretty. And just because the other one is purple, I'm gonna skip out on that one because I am wearing green and I like to, you know, listen. But yeah, I want to give a special thanks to Otter Spirit sending me over these beautiful gems. Otter Spirit is a brand that specializes in natural gemstones, using only high quality natural gems and crystals. All of their beautiful bracelets are handmade and come in a small, medium, or large. Gemstone sizes range from mini to regular. The amethyst bracelet. I am letting go of fear and embracing peace. The labradorite bracelet. I am the change I want to see in the world. The adventuring bracelet. My world is filled with abundance. Be sure to shop Auto Spirit, and right now they're having a magical holiday sale on their website where you can get up to 30% off bracelets. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing and then we about to be out the door. From the perfume, I have this Louis Vuitton sample. I tried this on earlier today before I left the house, and y'all, it smells so damn good. But it better last. That's the only way I'm gonna buy the full size, okay? Because if it don't last, we can do something else with them 300, because I know it's at least 365. Damn, where I dropped it? Oh, here you go. You talking shit about me?
No.
Yes, you are. I might as well use all of this stuff. It's only a squirt left. But hold up, because I need to remember the name. Just in case I like that one. This is what my outfit is giving. Cute, nothing too crazy. Just some little clear nude heels. I put this clear strap on my bag. Yeah. It's giving what it's supposed to. I feel like I never know what to look when I'm looking into the mirror. I be giving cockeyed, okay? Okay, let me stop talking about myself, but no, for real. This is my outfit.
What we cheers into this time?
Not bsimone. I'm just playing. Cheers to us.
Okay, to us. Cheers. Damn, babe, what you got here doing?
No, for real, that's how I feel.
You didn't even take it all.
Cause it's like a double shot. All right, y'all, so we're getting ready to go. I'm gonna take my camera with me, but I probably won't bring it inside because I'm sure they don't want me to, you know, have my camera. But I will insert some clips off my phone. So see y'all at the bsimone comedy show, period. I brought me some Crocs, y'all, but baddies wear their heels all night, all day and all night. Bitch, I don't care if you get a corn. You better wear your heels. You heard it here first. Shot o'clock. We're taking an Uber, by the way. Ugh. Me and Scoob.
Toe up in her.
Toe up. Baby, if my eyelashes come up or something, just rip them hoes off for me.
What you mean?
Don't let me, like, if they come up like right there, just take them off.
Like right where? I'm saying come up where? Like what you mean by come up? Oh, like lifting off your eyes?
Yeah, hell yeah. Just take them off and throw them on the ground.
You want me to just snatch them off?
Just snatch them off.
All right.
I'd rather you do that than for me to be looking goofy.
How about I just tell you?
Because if a bitch come to listen.
Well, baby, you better hope I be able to see this shit. Because how she going, I might not even be able to look and see that motherfucker.
Should I just take them off now or?
Yeah, no. I'm just joking, man.
I don't even like my outfit because I gotta have on this jacket because it's cold and I can't be a hoochie. But I like the winter time though, because you can tell who can really dress and who can't. Probably talking about Alki.
Me too.
And just to clear the air, yeah. Let's play some music until Marich get here.
What's his name? Marich.
He gonna do the speed limit too.
It sounds like a fake name.
He look like he go. We don't have to check the license plate. Damn, I can't believe we really late.
Babe,
I'm upset.
Man, fuck around with you. We gon' always be What you mean you can't believe it? We already knew that shit. What Myers drive? Oh, he's 6 minutes away. That can't be.
Myers drive a red Tesla.
My bad, damn, I forgot. G, shit.
Shit, that's who bsimone sent for us. You better act like you know. Shit.
Shit, that was a good one.
I believe everything we have was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids.
That nigga wanna tell that shit, nigga. Hey. That nigga said, seen a couple people that came in here that look like church folk. That's why I want to start with that before I get ignorant. I just, for real, get the praise in for the people that's not going to church tomorrow. If you can hear me say ow. Ow. If you can hear me say ow. Ow. When you stub your toe, you be like, I swear to God, she lifted my nuts up, the air hit me, right? That's all you can do when the air hits you. It's this thing called the gooch. It keep niggas in relationships and make niggas come. Any nigga that sit in the seat with his hands crossed, I don't give a fuck. We at a comedy show, my nigga. You talking about my mans, bro. This his first fucking date, nigga. I introduced him to the bitch and you fucking this shit up. We got the Casamigos at the hotel. We ain't even from here. We drove 2 hours for real, fuck, nigga.
And the man always asks that dumb question. Ooh, I hate it. I hate it. Where would you like me to come?
Oh my God.
Like we have a list of places. Truckers need to tell. Ain't no other hood niggas there. They said, hell no, we ain't fucking with that. Presence of the MIAs. My head has been anointed with. It's like, all right, girl, come on. On your time, but quickly, Jesus. You don't have to rush, but now, God.
Good morning, you guys. So today is Sunday, so happy Sunday. It is a little house music playing, so hopefully I talk loud enough and the TV is loud enough, because listen. But anyways, y'all, last night was crazy. I am so glad we decided to Uber, y'all, because we definitely needed to. Listen. We had so much fun, though. But because it took us so long to leave here and get to the Stardome, because I thought this hotel was a little bit closer, but we literally 20 minutes out. So it already took us a long time to get there. We were already kind of late, but bsimone didn't come on till like 10. We literally was sitting there when bsimone came on, y'all, and called the Uber, and it said the Uber was gonna be there in 15 minutes or 13 minutes, something like that. The Uber showed up in like 5 minutes, y'all. So you know you only have like 5 minutes, like they only gonna wait outside for 5 minutes. So we still hadn't got the, was it the card or the tab back?
The card back.
The card back. I needed to pee, but we got all of that done, okay? Story time, that's what it's giving. So I ended up going to go use the bathroom. The lady was outside waiting. First of all, we get in the car, this lady already on the phone having a full-blown conversation. I didn't care, cause like, people human, you know, I still was gonna like tip her and leave a good review, but listen. Y'all, Ken did not know where we were going. Well, I don't know, cause I was like damn near asleep.
Shit, it looked like you took a wrong turn. I was crazy.
Yeah. So it was giving wrong turn, and I was like kind of asleep a little bit, but I was up, you know, cause I ain't never. Yeah. Long story short, when I finally sit up, cause I felt the car slow down.
We were back at the fucking start off.
I was like, we back at the fucking start off. I was pissed, y'all. I was pissed. Cause I thought I was finna go in the hotel, lay it on down. Y'all, I was pissed. So next thing I know, she was like, well, that's what she told me to go. That's the address she gave me. Well, I'm like, this is the address that my phone says, cause I'm the one who ordered the, was it a Lyft? It was Lyft, by the way. So I was the one who ordered the Lyft. So I had the address in, but I guess she was listening to Ken because Ken thought like we was, you know, are you going that way? Because we don't trust nothing. Listen, okay? That's why I said I was asleep, but I wasn't really, yeah. I was pissed. I was so upset, y'all. So I was showing her the address or whatever, and she like, well, that's what she told me to go. And I was like, can we just please get to where we're supposed to be going? Next thing I know, I log onto the app because I was just trying to like see what the fuck was going on. Next thing I know, she was like, can y'all please get out my car? Just like that. I was like, damn, I wish I would have been recording, but I was just like shook. So I'm like, okay, because I don't, you know, listen. I'm like, let's get out the car. So we, right. I was so pissed because basically we drove around in a fucking circle. First of all, she came too early. We missed like majority of the show, right? I would say, like most of it. But one thing about God be Godding, like every time. It be the little things where he be doing like his big one. And you know what? We wasn't supposed to be in that car anyway because she had bad vibes and bad energy. Let me go because I'm just talking at this point. I don't know if it's a coffee or the za. Oh my God. But no, for real, I just had to tell y'all my little story time / experience last night. We got late checkout. It's 9:47. Maybe we can try to get some more sleep before it's actually time for us to leave. You tired?
Hell no,
I know you're not.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Summit. Well, we just left out of Shake Shack. What you said? Oh. Right, we need more to get on it. I'm mad as hell, y'all, because I think some lip stain or something got on my damn purse, and I wiped it down with soap and water, and it's giving. It ain't really budging. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna doctor on it when I get home. But I got another lip stain, and this one's in the shade. I think this one's Cherry Smoothie. But I'm gonna try this one on because I wanted to see how a more cherry pie. How a more, oh, let me get off my break for these people thinking I'm coming out. I need to go on, get out the way. Move out the way. So this is the red one. Ooh, it definitely look red. I mean, why would I just use this? This one is giving, I just had some a red slushy. What you think? I feel like you can't even really see it. I mean, you can, but maybe I like the other one better. It smells good though. It sounds real good. Let me put some lip gloss on top of it. See how I like that. Hey, stop. Stop. I'm just playing. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like the other one better though. Let me look on my camera. I mean on my phone. And then I picked up this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Another one, y'all. But this one, excuse me, it's so pretty. But I think this gonna look really good with like a nude lip. I don't want to open it right now, so I'll show y'all what that's giving a little later. My camera is pretty much dying. I don't have another battery. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later.